Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Delhi, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. What is common between these states? These 5 states were swept by the BJP in 2014. They won by large margins. In Uttar Pradesh, the BJP won a record 71 out of 80 seats. In Chhattisgarh, they won 10 out of 11 seats. In Rajasthan, Delhi and Gujarat, the BJP scored cent all the seats on offer. So can they repeat the magic of 2014 in northern India? Maybe not. This is not a wave election. There will be some, if not substantial, losses in all these states. Everything then hinges on how big the losses are and how the BJP makes up for them. So what is their plan? On India Election Watch today, we break down the math behind the BJP's election strategy. Back in March, BJP President Amit Shah had given a clue. He'd said that his party is looking east to offset any losses. It's a well-thought-out plan. The BJP is still eyeing a clear majority, and Amit Shah feels that they can surprise the opposition on at least 35 to 40 seats in these states. And here's the plan. In West Bengal, the BJP is aiming for at least 23 out of 42 seats. In the Northeast, their aim is to score 20 to 21 seats. The total number of seats from the northeastern states is 25. So they are hoping to get a major chunk of these. In the state of Odisha, again, the BJP trying very hard there with all the rallies by the Prime Minister and Amit Shah. The BJP hoping for substantial gains from Odisha. The party president said that they will be in a position to form the next state government. Odisha is also voting for assembly elections simultaneously. These states send a total of 88 lawmakers to parliament. That's not a mean figure. But what is the basis of the BJP's optimism? 35 to 40 seats. How did they fare in all these states in 2014? In the last election, the BJP had won only 11 out of these 88 seats. Clearly, there is scope for improvement. The BJP's look-east strategy has become more evident in the past few months. Amit Shah was in West Bengal today. Prime Minister Modi himself has held more than 20 public meetings in the last few months. The party has been raising its campaign pitch against Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal and Naveen Patnaik in Odisha. The aim is to turn this election in these states into a direct battle between the BJP and regional heavyweights in these states. Plus, there's talk of post-poll alliances with KCR in Telangana and Jagan Mohan Reddy in Andhra Pradesh. Both these leaders are expected to sweep their respective states.